Deleted an important video by mistake and now it's nowhere to be found? Don't panic yet. Even permanently deleted videos on Windows can sometimes be recovered, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, click on the link in the description and download Photos Recovery on your Windows PC. Once the software is installed, open it. You can see the interface is clean, simple, and very easy to understand. There are no confusing options or technical steps. But before we begin, here is one important tip. If your videos were deleted from a particular drive, don't install the software on that same drive. Otherwise, the deleted files may get overwritten and recovery might become difficult. Always install the software on a different drive. Now you will see a list of available drives like C drive, D drive, external hard drives, USB drives and more. Now choose the drive where your videos were deleted from. In my case, I accidentally deleted videos from this drive, so I'll select it. Next, you'll see two scan options, quick scan and deep scan. Quick scan is faster and works best for recently deleted files, and deep scan takes more time but it can find older or deeply hidden deleted files. For better recovery results, I would recommend choosing deep scan option. Now click on Start Scan. The software will start searching for deleted files from that drive. And yes, even if the videos were permanently deleted or removed from recycle bin, the software can still detect recoverable files. Depending on your storage size, the scan can take a few minutes. Once the scan is complete, you will see all the recoverable files here. You can even preview the videos before recovering them, which makes it easier to find the exact files you need. Now simply select the videos you want to recover and click on Recover button. Choose a location and make sure to save the recovered files to a different drive or folder from the one where the files were originally deleted. And done, your deleted videos are restored. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful Windows tips and tech tutorials. Also, if you have any suggestions or feedback, drop them in the comments below.